It is important to be able to recognize the signs of illness in your feathered friend. Birds are experts at hiding their symptoms, so it's up to us to be vigilant and proactive in monitoring their health. In this video, we'll discuss some common symptoms of illness in birds, what they might indicate, and what you can do to help your bird get the care they need. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos. Symptoms number 1. Changes in appetite or weight. One of the first signs of illness in birds is a change in appetite or weight. If your bird is suddenly eating less or more than usual, or lose or gain weight, it could be a sign of an underlying health issue. Be sure to monitor your bird's food and water intake and consult a veterinary if you notice any changes. Symptoms number 2. Lethargy or weakness. If your bird is spending more time sleeping than usual, or seems weak or unsteady on its feet, it could be a sign of illness. Birds are naturally active creatures, so any significant change in behavior could be cause for concern. Symptoms number 3. Unusual behavior. Birds are creatures of habit, so if your bird starts exhibiting unusual behavior, it could be a sign of illness. This could indicate changes in vocalizations, increased aggressions, or lack of interest in activity they usually enjoy. Symptoms number 4. Vomiting or diarrhea. If your bird is vomiting or experiencing diarrhea, it could be a sign of an infection or digestive issue. These symptoms can quickly lead to dehydration, so it's important to seek veterinary care promptly. Symptoms number 5. Discharge from the eyes or nostrils. If your bird has discharge from the eyes or nostrils, it could be a sign of an upper respiratory infection. This can quickly lead to more serious health issues if left untreated. Number 6. Difficulty breathing. If your bird is having trouble breathing, it could be a sign of respiratory infection or other health issue. This is a serious symptom that requires immediate veterinary care. Number 7. Changes in droppings. If you notice changes in your bird's droppings, such as in color, consistency, or frequency, it could be a sign of illness. Keep an eye on your bird's droppings and report any changes to your veterinarian. Symptoms number 8. Fluffed feathers. If your bird's feathers are fluffed up and they appear lethargic, it could be a sign of illness. Birds fluff their feathers to conserve body heat when they're not feeling well. Symptoms number 9. Swollen or red eyes. If your bird's eyes are swollen or red, it could be a sign of an infection or injury. This can be a serious symptoms that requires prompt veterinary care. Symptoms number 10. Sneezing or coughing. If your bird is sneezing or coughing, it could be a sign of a respiratory infection or other health issue. This is a serious symptom that requires veterinary care. By being aware of the symptoms of illness in your bird, you can help them to get the care they need and prevent serious health issues down the line. Remember, if you notice any changes in your bird's behavior or health, don't hesitate to seek veterinarian care. We hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.